Hey everyone, and welcome to a new Arbitrum space. This time we are celebrating and very happy to show you the finalists of the CollabTech Hackathon organized by Erin DAO in support of the Arbitrum DAO. And today we are here with Corey and also Danielle. I'm bringing them on stage from the Erin DAO team. And yeah, they are going to introduce us and they are going to share a lot of insights about what was happening in the CollabTech Hackathon. And today we have the teams that they are going to pitch us their projects, what they've been building during this whole month. So yeah, we are super excited to hear more about all that. Daniel and Corey, welcome today. How are you?
Thank you very much for having us. Super excited to be here.
Yeah, really looking forward to this. It's been a really exciting month. So we've been waiting for this moment.
I know it feels like this happened like so quickly, to be honest. Like we had a live stream 1 month ago and everything went by so fast. So yeah, we are super excited too. I'm super excited too. And we have a presentation for this session. I'm bringing the slides. These are the slides, right, Daniel and Corey?
Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah. So as Anna was saying, we're here for the grand finale of the hackathon. We have had quite a few people who applied. In total, we got 143 accepted participants. So that's really great. Actually, it's a very nice number considering that is, let's say, the overlap of two niche things. On one side, where Arbitrum infrastructure, on the other side, CollabTech. And clearly that despite having this Venn diagram, we still have an amazing number of people who are interested, and we're super happy about this. So from the 143 participants, we got 15 finalist projects that are building stuff in Arbitrum. We gave 10 expert mentor sessions. We had daily office hours, 4 workshops to cover all kinds of different topics, supporting the builders, as well as free speed networking events to help teams form. And then from here, we're then going to move on to support the builders into the next things. If we can have to the next slides.
Yeah, that'd be great. Anna, are you able to move the slides? I'm actually wondering how you're sharing this. Yeah. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, no, is it? Yeah.
It's the one
now it's moving.
So we're also super excited to suggest to the different builders that this is not the end of the story. So a common issue that we have with a lot of hackathons is after the hackathon, the builders are left a little bit like, okay, what next? So here we are excited to be able to offer them the RNDAO support infrastructure, because building startups is really, really hard. And what the data shows is that the majority of hackathon winners abandon their projects, the majority of accelerated startups fail, and the majority of grants don't actually lead to successful projects. But that is because if we don't support our builders enough, well, it really takes a village to build each startup. So here we're super happy to be working with Arbitrum for a while and to be able to offer these support infrastructure to take our builders and continue forward with the different RNDAO activities. So we're able to offer venture support, through which we have expert mentors that are helping with user research, business development, design and product development, a lot of tough love. Sometimes that's the most valuable thing, giving harsh feedback, as well as the other projects in the RNDAO ecosystem that collaborate with each other for integrations, market insight, sales, access to customers, etc., etc. So we'll be putting these to our builders, and we can leverage the 150 community members, the 50 plus contributors, and as well the core team in RNDAO who can support with all of these. So without further ado, let me pass it on to Corey, who can tell us a little bit more about what the next steps of these final are going to look like.
And yeah, just before I do that, would you mind flashing back to just the second slide real quick? I think we missed that one. Yeah, perfect, that one. Just wanted to really quick just give that visual overview of the snapshot of the last month of this hackathon that we've been running. It's been an amazing turnout with this number of participants. And we have 15 finalist projects that we're going to be hearing from today. that are ready with live pitches. And yeah, just want to give a big shout out to the mentors that we had on board that supported us the way through here. And yeah, really excited. Before we jump into announcing the finalists and hearing from them directly, just wanted to highlight that only for this week, we are running a contest on Joke Race for the community to vote on the projects themselves. So anyone can actually scan this QR code, go to Joke Race now and vote for these amazing builders. We're going to be running this contest all week up until Friday, November 8th. It cuts off at 1 p.m. UTC. And the final community vote will count as 25% of the final decision, alongside our 3 expert judges who are also running their own votes. And to vote, it's very simple. As you can see here, you just scan the QR code, connect your wallet on Arbitrum, and then you can you'll find these like cute little arrows you can click to vote for your favorite projects. So we'll be showing this QR code a couple times throughout the live stream, but go ahead and save that link. And let's gear up for some awesome pitches today. If you want to take us to the next slide. Oh, okay. We have a little distortion happening on this slide. I don't know what's going on there. That's funny. Well, these are our 15 finalists. I'll read them out so they're a little bit more correct. Give me 1 second. We have Rightwise. We have Separated Powers, Root Founders, Decide, Signals Protocol, Hurdle, Contribo, Kuma, which seems to be going through some life changes there, X Boost, Dowverse, WeLivedIt.ai, Alpha Market, Marcraft, Nightly, and Station. So congratulations to the 15 finalists, and we're really excited to hear from you today. Each finalist will be given 2 minutes to deliver their pitch. And yeah, why don't we go ahead and get started? First up will be Rightwise. We'd love to welcome Rightwise up to deliver their pitch.
Oh, let's go. Congratulations. So we are bringing on stage the team. Let's see. I believe the team Rightwise maybe is not ready. Can you, maybe we can bring now Signal Protocols and then.
Yeah, why don't we start with, we'll go to the next one, just Separated Powers. Maybe Separated Powers can jump up.
Yeah, for sure. I'm bringing them on stage. So here with us is Arnold and James. Where are you, James? Just give me 1 sec, because it's a little bit hard to bring people on stage when there are so many builders here. But yes, we're excited to have you. Congratulations. Excited to hear from you.
We do need to clarify, we are the Signals team. Is that who you meant to bring up?
Well, yes.
You're here now. Well, welcome.
All right. We are ready to go if you're ready to have us. Arnold will be sharing his screen.
Yeah, I'm
okay, it's here, right?
Yep.
That's it.
Awesome.
I'm going to play driver, and I'll be back. I'll let you go, James. Thank you.
It's a gentle reminder. You got a 2 minute time cap here.
All right, here we go.
Go on.
So Signals is an on-chain protocol designed to help DAOs expose which issues their participants care about most. It works by letting community members submit initiatives that they think are important, which can then be displayed on a dashboard for everybody to see. Other community members who agree with an initiative can add their support to it by staking their governance tokens on that specific initiative. The ones that have received the most support rise to the top for maximum visibility. Having to stake tokens means that users have to make a choice about which initiatives to support, and that makes the support a much more meaningful signal. We also wanted to solve the problem of whales dominating the discussion simply because they hold a lot of voting weight. So now even small token holders can choose to have their tokens locked up for a longer period of time, and in exchange, they get a multiplier added to the support their lockup provides. We also created a unique decay mechanism, so the multiplier wears off over time, and that keeps support for initiatives timely and prevents lockups from providing too much of an oversized benefit. Finally, we've also added the ability to incentivize participation and even fund initiatives trustlessly by allowing anyone to commit funds to an initiative, which gets shared with supporters and the DAO if the initiative is accepted. All the different parameters can be completely customized, and the protocol is very flexible. So that allows each group to decide for themselves the best way to make use of it. Overall, the goal is to enable all token holders to express their support equally, no matter how many tokens they hold, and to help DAOs really understand what their community members are most interested in before they even get to the voting stage. So that is Signals, the Signals protocol. Our smart contract is live on Arbitrum Sepolia, and we've also launched this fully functional dashboard to show off how it works. So please give it a try.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Right on time. Do you want to flash that QR code one more time?
Yeah, put up those links.
Perfect.
Thanks,
Thank you
James.
so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much, James and Arnold. Now, yeah, see you. So now we are back with Maria Goretti sharing about RightWise. Let me bring Maria on stage. Here you are, Maria. Hi, Maria. How are you? Super excited to have you.
Hello, Anna. I was on a stage. You couldn't see me. So
sorry. It was my bad.
It's all right. Just give me a second while I do reload my slides.
Yeah, for sure. I see them. So now are here.
Yeah, thank you. So a flawed system. Scientific publications, data, and metrics are centralized and gate-kept, limiting accessibility, openness, and advancement of science. Generating $26 billion per year, this industry is bigger than the cinema industry. There are approximately 50,000 journal titles and 3 million published papers per year. Nonetheless, 0% of copyright is kept by authors, and metrics are journal-centered. Those metrics have nothing to do with the quality of research conducted. Those producing high-quality science, yet unable to afford the fees, as well as those with too forward-thinking ideas, find no place in this industry. During the CollabTech Arbitrum Hackathon, our Savvy 7 super team engineered an app which can benefit a large audience of authors, knowledge producers, in preprint platforms, decentralized science journals, as well as companies, independent researchers, and students. This app is a prize-winning platform to amplify the outreach of published papers and build an authentic, user-centered impact. Using RightWise, an individual company can permissionless create a competition, nominate and vote on papers, get prizes and recognition. Create your competition today and benefit from collaboration to amplify the outreach of cool science, create fair opportunities, prizes and rewards, and increase recognition, building for a true community-centered science ecosystem. RightWise, soon in Arbitrum.
Wow, thank you so much. Perfectly on time. What a nice pitch.
Let's go. Congrats, Maria. Thank you very much for what you built. And yeah, maybe it's time to remind the community to vote for your favorites. Remember, like, this is the QR code where you need to go and vote. Yeah, let's keep going with the pitches. And yeah, thank you, Maria. And now it's time to bring
to Separated Powers.
Separated powers, right.
Yeah, to call up 7-seaters.
Seeders, here you are. Awesome. Welcome, 7-seaters, and congrats.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to give a very quick thank you to Arendau and Arbitrum for organizing this hackathon. I did record my pitch, so if Anna can just start playing that, thank you very much.
Yeah, for sure. Let me just find it here in the chat. Are you sharing with your screen? Because I cannot see it at the moment.
Let me just upload it then. I thought because I was here before, let me just.
Yeah, it was good before, but now we have some technical issues. Thank you everyone for your patience here.
Yeah. I'm just uploading it again.
Separate powers. Okay, super. Yeah, here it is.
Separated powers. The problem that we set out to solve is the centralization of power in existing DAO governance. We do this by creating a role-restricted governance protocol in which we define groups by the function that people have. We assign roles to accounts based on on-chain activity or subjective assessment or the tokens that people hold, then give specific powers to each role, create checks and balances between roles, and as a result, truly decentralized power within DAO, boost participation of these different groups, and incentivize decentralization in name security. Now, how it works, first of all, we introduce a new concept, which are laws, which are actually external role-restricted contracts that are accessible to one role ID, have a call data input, which is specific to a law, a check if certain conditions have been met, and then an output back to the protocol that has the target values and call data of the external functions that need to be called. They're very similar to real-life laws in the sense that you create a group and assign rights and duties to that group. Then we combine governor.sol and access manager.sol, but that implemented 3 fundamental changes, proposing, voting, executing these kinds of functions in the protocol all happen in relation to role-restricted laws. The core protocol, as a result, is very minimalistic, but laws themselves can be anything. So any kind of complexity that usually exists within governor.sol can all be integrated through laws. A law can also be conditioned by a proposal passing in relation to another law, which means that we can start to create checks and balances. So for instance, a role A proposes a change and a role B has the right to accept that change. Good. Note that this is very different than vertically organized protocols of devolution, such as the HEADS protocol. Good. So the product, we built a working proof of concept, an example implementation aligned grants DAO. We deployed this example on Arbitrum Sepolia and built a UI to actually interact with that example. And this is the team. Thank you very much for listening.
Great, that was fast.
Thank you.
That was exactly 2 minutes.
It was. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, 7-seaters, and yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
So let's hear from Root Founders.
Yeah.
Exactly. So David is here.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
I'm David. Hey. Okay, I will just share my screen, if that's okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Great. Yes.
Right. Can you see it?
Now you are sharing screen. Yeah, I see it. We can see it. Yeah.
Yeah, great. So hello, everyone. I'm David. Together with my friend Lati, we are building Root Founders, Build Better Together. And we are doing it to solve issues we were facing when we were solo builders. One such issue is idea validation, so how you make sure users gonna like your idea. Second is finding a co-founder. And third is building an audience. As Daniel said previously, 75% of builders abandon their project, and I think that's because they cannot build audience for that. And our solution is to give builders a decentralized protocol or a space simply where they can build in public. They can get tips for ideas people like. They can engage with community via comments and updates. And let's just quickly jump to a demo. So here is a pre-recorded demo. We have a proof of concept deployed to Arbitrum Sepolia. I'm gonna add a new project here. I'm gonna fill in some form, and it's gonna be saved on IPFS And now I'm saving this project to change so that anyone can access it without even our UI. This is project page. I can post an update. So I can say something fun and cool to my users. And it takes a little bit of time because, well, it's on the testnet. Now you see the new update is posted. And if anyone likes my idea, can click apply to join my team. And here's another demo where I go to a project that's already there. So I go to root founders and I just gonna post a comment because I think I like this project. So again, I'm posting a comment. It's all saved on chain. Yeah. And oh yeah, now it's confirmed and it's there. And so if you like our idea, if you like what we are building, go to rootfounders.com and sign up with your email to be notified when we launch our beta and to get access to our Discord community. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, David. Yeah, it was amazing to hear more about what you have built for the CollabTech Hackathon. And yeah, just as a reminder for the community, remember that you can vote for your favorite finalist here in the Jocrace platform. So I'm sharing with you this QR code. And yeah, now it's time to hear more about the Decide team.
Yeah, we've got Tiago. Perfect.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Tiago.
I'm the project manager of the Decide project, and we would love to make a real live demo, but unfortunately the time is short, so I'll leave you with a presentation from our lead AI engineer, Marcio.
Awesome. Yeah, we have a video ready for you, so I'm going to press play for you to check it out.
In case you don't live under a rock in the Arbitrum ecosystem, by going to the calls and following the Arbitrum forum, you will understand how difficult it is to evaluate and do a retrospective on the Arbitrum incentive programs. That's why in this hackathon we built Decide, an AI system that creates instant reports and gets you the answer to the questions that matter. We built everything from scratch, the AI part, the front end, and we deployed these into the Fair AI marketplace, meaning that Decide is fully composable, verifiable, reliable, and transparent. To this POC, we used a delimited selection of on and off-chain data to tackle some of the main questions raised in some of the liquidity incentive calls. And to use this, you just need to click on Use Solution. And now you click on New Report. You need to sign the transaction, and you will click on Generate Report. All of this is happening on chain. You are paying with USDC on Arbitrum, and everything is stored on chain, on Arweave, and this will take some time. So yeah, you will have to wait, but that's normal, all right? No, just kidding. It's almost instant, and you get a high quality report that allow you to perform a proper retrospective on the Arbitrum incentive program, in this case, the LTIP. And you are getting the potential of these, right? But in the future, this can grow and answer even more complex questions. For example, if you are looking into liquidity, you could decide, for example, which projects were able to retain more whales 1 month after the program ended, or similar questions. But that's not all Decide can do, okay? It can also answer open questions, for example, about the report that was generated, or for example, to ask for a summary of a grant proposal. And you can do these questions like this. You can see how powerful this is. In the future, this will create an AI tool that allow Arbitrum decision makers to get instant and high quality reports, to get valuable insights, do smart choices, and drive the real growth for the ecosystem. This is only the beginning, okay? So I would love for you to explore this site with us and help us refine it into even a better solution for the Arbitrum ecosystem. Okay, that's all for today.
Yeah, thank you. Hope you had enjoyed, and yeah, don't forget to vote on Jocrace.
Thank you, Tiago.
Awesome. Thank you, Tiago. We love it.
That was a
awesome.
nice one.
So yeah, thank you very much, and congrats. Good luck. So now we are hearing from Herdel.
Yeah, that should be Tinkerbell.
Yeah, exactly. So hello, Tinkerbell.
So how do I upload it, or should I have to share my screen?
I know that you want to share a video, right? So yeah, you can
Yes.
also share your screen, and I'm going to bring it
Okay,
on
just a
stage
second.
here. Yeah, here it is. So you are now sharing a screen, and what we can see is the platform. It says
No, this is
community
not me.
dashboard. And now it's about submit contribution. It is supposed to be a video, I guess.
I think yes, I have uploaded
Right?
a video. Is this visible to you?
Okay. Because we can see the video, but there's no sound. So maybe you want to describe it.
No, there is sound also. I have. I think currently there is someone else's screen community dashboard. I am not sharing this.
Oh,
Someone
it's not your
else.
share. Okay. Have you screen shared on your end?
No, I have just uploaded a file.
You uploaded the
Video
file.
Okay. Okay, just give me 1 second. Here is another.
Yes.
Is this one maybe? Oh yeah.
Flexibility in virtual collaboration.
Today's virtual collaboration tools are rigid, proprietary, lack flexibility, and make it difficult to switch between communication modes, limiting productivity and customizations. Hurdle provides appropriately customized experience for different use cases, like presentation mode for video calls focused on presentations, where on traditional platforms you have a video stream for sharing your slides on screen, another for camera and audio through mic 3 streams at once, often cause fluctuating or lagging one of the streams or cracked audio like problems, especially if you have slow internet connection. On Hurdle, upload your slides directly, allowing Hurdle to manage them seamlessly for you with simple navigation commands. Each arrow key pressed changes the slide for all attendees instantly. No need for continuous screen sharing without the strain of multiple streams. Hurdle frees up bandwidth, ensuring the presenter's voice and video stay crystal clear for an uninterrupted experience. Hurdle's presentation without compromise. In Hurdle, conference rooms are designed for immersive collaboration, simulating real-world seating arrangements. Each user can select their seat, replicating the experience of choosing a place around a real table. Hurdle's positional audio brings conversations to life, making it feel like you're sitting right next to your colleagues. This unique environment fosters authentic interactions, making virtual meetings feel as natural as in-person gatherings. Hurdle's interactive rooms for seamless, spatially aware meetings, and many such different experiences to solve business problems uniquely. Hurdle ecosystem empowers developers to tailor the platform with custom tools, bots, and integrations. Easily create and manage plugins with API access, allowing full customization. Join Hurdle and experience the future of customizable communication.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, that was a super cool presentation. Thank you, Tinkerbell. I made a mistake in the beginning. I was sharing another video. Sorry for that. But yeah, this is super cool. How did you create this?
Basically, it's all like video editing a bit of, and then always the prototypes were created through some tools, and so basically the presentation and all that was from prototyping tools and some stock footage, etc.
Nice, super cool.
Wow, very
So,
cool. Thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good. So let's keep going. Let's hear more from our other finalists for the hackathon. So now we are bringing Juanra from Contribo. Let me find Juanra here on stage. Here he is. Hey, welcome, Juanra.
Hey, Anna. Hey, Corey.
Super excited to have you, and congratulations to made it to the finalists.
Thank you very much. So I wanted to talk to you. Well, first of all, hello everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm about to present Contribo, which is a project I built alongside Alexa. We did it together on record time. It was really not too much time to do it, but our idea was to build a platform to bring together builders, founders, and the community so that they can turn like collaboration into real and measurable success. So basically, we found there's a lot of problems right now with the grant allocations and bounty platforms that are not achieving the desired return on investment that many projects are trying to get. Objectives sometimes can be really unclear, and decision making is often in the wrong hands. This doesn't allow the ecosystem to be really connected. And there's also a problem for newcomers, like even myself, when I started collaborating with a DAO, I didn't know where to begin. There's a lot of things. So we are trying to build a platform where newcomers can feel secure and safe to start contributing, doing something that also accrues value for people. So basically, our solutions is to bring reputation-based funding in a milestone-driven fund management, where you can be connecting or watching the milestones going on in every project. And you can also choose what kind of people do you want to do for a work you need. So basically, if you have a task that needs to be done, you can post it on our platform, and anybody can join, and with their reputation, they can apply for the task, and they can by doing milestones, they get paid eventually, while working. So I think it's a very simple idea. I think many have tried to do it, and other projects have been not really successful because they try to introduce a lot of things. And so we're trying to do this seamless as possible for people. So we're trying to do it in a decentralized way, in a way that projects can really help the funders that are trying to get things done in a project. So yeah, and also, I mean, newcomers is also a big part of this, so that they can feel in a place where they can contribute easily, to any project, and also involve the community, of course. So basically, this is what we're trying to do. We are trying to build an open and a collaborative environment for people to work, to contribute, to give something back. There are many people that are right now doing, like, trying to find a job or trying to do work in the Web3 ecosystem.
Juan, I can only give you 2 minutes, and you're already almost a minute over. So I'll give you 5 more seconds.
Okay, no, well, this is just slides of the presentation. We had a video, which maybe there's not much time to see it, but it's an easy application where you can post a task, and you can find what the task is about and apply for it. So basically, that's it.
Thank you. Share your video in the comments on the live stream.
Perfect.
And thank you so much.
Thank you, Corey. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, Juanra. And yeah, very cool job. And yeah, now it's time to hear from Shima. She is sharing about Kuma.
Yes. Hello.
Hello. So let me share my screen. Okay. So
just a gentle reminder, we have a 2-minute timer going. Looking forward to your presentation.
So Kuma, the wallet that made you love blockchain. So there is a big problem in the crypto space for now. The blockchain is not intuitive for users, and DeFi protocols are hard to access. This is where Kuma comes in. Kuma enables passkey connections, gas payments in stablecoins, an user-friendly application, easy access to yield with DeFi, secured, non-custodial, and also multi-sig to enable collaborative investment. So let's dive into the demo. So here we can connect to our wallets with Touch ID. Now let's connect one wallet to Avi with Wallet Connect. Okay, perfect. So we can choose the gas payments method, either native, stable, or sponsored. Then let's stake 0.1 ETH with Avi frontend. We got a pop-up on our wallet to send the transaction. We also got one on the other wallet to approve the transaction. So let's sign the both pop-up. Great. We saw that our balance got credited. Let's jump back to Avi to see the amount deposited. So the business model for this is simple. The user will pay fixed gas payments of $0.5 for each transaction and will take commission on what is not used by the network. So for the roadmap, we want to be granted to launch our project on mainnet Arbitrum and want to launch and scale for marketing purposes. So thank you, Arendao and Arbitrum, and vote on me for Jerk Race. Thank you.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congrats for made it for the finalist. And yeah, now we are going to hear more about the XBoost project with Jay. Let's go, Jay.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
So yeah, I need control over my presentation. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, we have it.
Yeah, so let's go. Hi, everyone. I'm Jay, and I represent the XBoost team. We realize that a lot of people struggle with education. And for example, me, I always drop all courses I've started. But I noticed that I was addicted to the video games. And I realized the problem, it was the battle passes. They pushed me to play over and over again. And I thought, what? There is a battle pass, but for education and motivation. And this is exactly what we did. Our solution is a system of daily tasks that engage users to execute simple actions that focus on education, and we give reward for that. And that's how we boost motivation. So how it works? As I told, we have daily tasks that always focused on education, and tasks, for example, could be finish a lesson on your favorite course platform, such as Coursera, or build a daily streak. And our system automatically tracks the completion and gives rewards for that. And the rewards could be our NFT or our own token built over Arbitrum, or subscriptions to your favorite applications such as Spotify. And our main audience is learners who seek for motivation, and there's around 150 million of them. So we want to give motivation to everyone, and we want to build a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3 community and show that there is nothing to afraid. And with Arbitrum, we will provide fast and smooth entrance for newcomers. So thank you very much for your time. Please feel free to join us on Twitter, and you can join us on waitlist to get all information about our project. So again, thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Jay. That was an amazing presentation. And yeah, I want to remember everyone that this is a pitch session. We are listening to 15 teams that made it to be the finalists of the CollabTech Hackathon. So, and you can also be part of it by voting for them, for your favorites. So here is the QR code for you to vote and decide who's going to win the hackathon, Corey, or?
Yeah, the vote community vote will count for 25% of, and we have 3 judges as well. So the community is basically one of the judges, and that will be decided at the end of the week.
Amazing. So yeah, let's go and support our amazing finalists. So now we are going to hear the DAOverse project And we have Jill, who is going to present about it. Jill, welcome. Super excited to hear more about your project.
Hi, Jill.
Hello. Daverse is a very complex project that was born from the idea that the metaverse, the next evolution of the metaverse, is for collaboration. So the idea is to use virtual environments for collaboration. Okay. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, for sure. Let me see.
Oh gosh.
Do you need to go to the present part? Yeah,
Can
here.
you see my screen? Okay.
Yeah, now we see it.
Okay. The basic, this is the user interface, but the basic is a very complex system of smart contract that is based on the ERC 497 token standard, and is a comprehensive governance system designed for renting and selling room, which are in the metaverse. You can see that there are rooms over here, and that rooms are tokens that are not really NFT but are NFTs. They are basically rentable NFTs that allow people to vote for the DAO, and they are rented to a group, allow the group to submit proposals in a determined space of time. In this room, you can see that there are many. That there is the possibility of chatting, and that there are many furniture that pieces that are rentable. Now, this is obviously a password protected thing that will change, because in this step we will probably add a wallet connection. Okay, you can see that I can add furniture pieces over here. Each of these furniture pieces can be a collaborative tool that we are developing. One is an AI coach, organizational coach, that is meant basically to help people reframe their problems when they are stuck in their project, in the DAO project. And another one is for that we are working on for another challenge, is for reputation, in particular interchain reputational, an interchain reputational tool that we are developing.
Jill, I can only give you a few more seconds because you're over time.
No, that's fine. It's finished. It's basically the whole smart contract and UI interactions are in the GitHub repository, and obviously you can also play with the interface, which is up and running.
Amazing. Thank you. This is very impressive.
Yeah, super cool, Jill. Thank you. Yeah, we noticed. Thank you very much, Jill. It's awesome, to be honest. Thank you, and good luck.
Good luck.
And super. So, Mishti, it's time to hear from you. To hear about your project. We lived it.
We lived it. .ai.
We lived it. .ai. Thank you, Corey. Thank you, Anna. I'm sharing my slide.
Yeah, we have it.
Okay, that's just an opening quote, which also came from a podcast around a survey that I'm going to mention. But I'll start by talking about GitHub. So GitHub, which is home to 94% of the world's open source code and around 100 million developers, places inclusion as a core business priority. And that's because, according to their 2017 open source survey, 50% of contributors had witnessed negative behavior personally, and 21% had stopped contributing to projects because of it. They invest heavily in communities of belonging. For example, AdaCats, who champion marginalized genders in tech and do things like arrange unconscious bias training and celebrate Women's History Month. Our project, WeLivedIt.ai, aims to facilitate CollabTech communities to follow GitHub's example and really walk the walk on inclusion. How does it work? We're building an AI-powered content moderation tool that learns from the lived experience of its users, is registered on-chain, and governed by the community that it serves. So a user can create their organization's model on our dashboard and enter their community values, and then leverage the AI to scan text, for example, emails or comment sections for toxic or hate speech according to those specific values. In order to improve the model's accuracy, they can then submit that toxic or hate speech data to a community vote. And the community decides if that data should be used to adapt the model and thus improve its accuracy. And finally, other organizations that have similar community values can then leverage a pre-trained model through our on-chain dashboard to moderate their online spaces. Just as GitHub transformed the way that we collaborate on code, WeLivedIt.ai will transform how we create inclusive digital workspaces. We're not just building another content moderation tool, we're creating infrastructure for truly diverse collaboration. The future of work must be inclusive, and with WeLivedIt.ai, it will be. And this is our team. Thank you very much.
Awesome presentation. Thank you so much. And best of luck.
Thanks.
Yeah, impressive. Thank you very much, Mishti. And yeah, let's see what happens. Good luck. And yeah, we want to hear as well from Daniel. Is going to share more about alpha markets. So Daniel, let's go. Oh, where are you? Here you are. Hey, you're muted, Daniel. So, but yeah, we can see you. Maybe there's something happening with your mic. Can you hear us, Daniel? Maybe you can hear us, yeah, but we cannot hear you. In the beginning, we were able to hear you, but now we don't. But no worries, while we wait, Daniel is working in his mic. This is a reminder for you to vote on your favorite projects. Here's the QR code for you to be part of the decision making of this hackathon, or who's going to win this hackathon as well. And I believe we are back, Daniel.
Okay, seems like maybe Daniel needs a minute. We could move through to, maybe we should go to first to hear from Amir from Nightly, and then we can move back to Daniel. It just needs a minute.
Yeah, for sure. Let's do that. And okay, so let's go, Amir. Here you are, Amir. So looking forward to hear about your project, Amir.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, everyone. Okay, first of all, I will say thank you for your time and providing this opportunity. So let me share my screen.
I see it.
Okay, cool.
Now your screen's on stage.
Welcome to Nightly, a platform designed to enhance collaboration in decentralized manner. Our focus is on creating an environment where teams can work together seamlessly, regardless of their location. I'm Amir Ahimi, a full-stack developer, and I'm excited to share insights on how Nightly can transform your collaborative efforts. Let's explore the features that make Nightly a unique solution for your team's needs. So today, developers face several significant challenges that impact their work. One major issue is the difficulty in finding reliable collaborators, which can hinder project progress. Inefficient project management tools further complicate the workflow, making it harder to stay organized. There is also a lack of transparency and trust in partnerships, which can lead to misunderstanding and conflicts. Lastly, security concerns with centralized platforms pose risks that developers must navigate carefully. Today, we are introducing Nightly as a solution for decentralized future in development. Nightly promotes secure and transparent collaboration among developers and project owners. It offers efficient project management tools to streamline workflow. The platform features a strong community and reputation system to enhance trust totally on-chain. The platform features a strong community and reputation system to enhance trust. Additionally, incentivize contributors, through tokenomic, encourage active participation. Let's discuss the key features of Nightly and how it empowers developers. First, it offers decentralized project creation and management, allowing teams to work more flexibly. Real-time collaboration and communication are integral, enhancing teamwork and efficiency. Secure file sharing and version control ensure that all project assets are protected and easily accessible on IPFS.
Amir,
Additionally, yeah.
I have to let you know that you're at time. So do you think you
cool.
can give us a 10-second overview of the features? Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, just a moment. Here is the live demo of the Nightly. Here's the homepage. You can see featured experts, top projects based on their, on-chain like. So you can view the projects. Here's the page for search. I'm looking for expert projects, ideas, events. For example, here are the experts on this platform, Amir Rahimi, Kohan. You can view the profile information, as you can see here. Here is a short bio, some information, and projects are I'm on. Here are the projects you can explore, the category, and at the end event, you can see there are 2 events you can choose, and you can add your project regarding this hackathons or events, and start to find like-minded individuals through Nightly. That's all. If you like Nightly, please vote on Nightly on JoeCraze. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amir. Thanks so much, and best of luck.
Yeah, good luck, Amir. Thank you very much.
Man, it's hard to cut people off. I hate doing that. So much work went into these. It's awesome.
I know many good projects, to be honest. Like all of them are great, and yeah, it's impressive that you had like 15 teams.
Yeah, well,
Daniel.
Daniel is the last one. That's right.
Okay. I cannot see Daniel here in the backstage, so maybe let's wait a little bit more for him to join. But yeah, while we are waiting for Daniel, I want to thank everyone, like the organizers, the R&D team to organize this hackathon, as well the Questbook team for supporting this hackathon as well through the Arbitrum DAO, the grants programs in the Arbitrum DAO, and all the teams that participate in this hackathon. To be honest, it's super cool to see all what you have, all the things that you have built for this. And I believe at the end, everyone is a winner. Like at the end, people are learning a lot of new skills, learning more about the technology in general, as well, getting to know to new people in the ecosystem. So yeah, even having more things in your portfolio to maybe one day get a job, or maybe now you have more ideas to build your own startup. So yeah, many cool things from these kind of initiatives. And yeah, I believe Daniel is not joining us today. He was here, but maybe he had some technical issues. But yeah, congratulations to everyone. Corey, would you like to share something else with the community today?
Yeah, no, I think ultimately we just really want to invite the community to come vote for these projects. Again, that community vote is going to count for 25% of the final decision making for the winners of the hackathon. So it's a really cool platform to use if you haven't used Joke Race. It's really fun to use anyways. You have here now all the presentations from these amazing projects. They've been working on it all month. And yeah, just scan this QR code and check it out, and let us know which ones are your favorites. And otherwise, oh, looks like Daniel is back. Let's give him his 2 minutes. Hey, Daniel, how's it going?
Hey, Daniel, you're on stage. Now seems like the mic is not working. Well, no worries, Daniel. Maybe if you have a video or something, you can share it with the community in the comments, and the community will see it. Or if you have like a short description that you want to type about your project, so you can also share it here in the chat, and you can do that as well. But yeah, thank you very much, Daniel, for this. And yeah, sometimes technical issues happen. And yeah, thank you everyone who is supporting all these teams. I see all the chats and comments from the community. Everyone was super excited, giving huge shout outs to all the teams. So thank you for that, for following this. And yeah, thank you, Corey, for being an amazing host for today. And yeah, congratulations to everyone, and good luck.
Thank you so much, Anna. Yeah, thank you to all the amazing projects. This has been awesome. And we'll be sharing more from the RNDAO Twitter account. We'll be posting a recap article with a summary of all the projects as well. Join our Discord. You can actually meet them if you'd like to speak with them. And yeah, looking forward to seeing how this plays out in a couple of days from now.
I know. And yeah, let's go. Let's keep building Arbitrum together. And yeah, thank you. I'm going to leave the QR code for you to vote for your favorite teams here. And yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone.